If you're typing up a particularly big document in Google Docs, a table of contents can come in handy. My name is Idullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can make a table of contents on, well, Google Docs. Now, as you can see, I have a 6,000 word document here, which is practically my dissertation for my journalism diploma. And as you can see here that I have got a complete table of contents here with different chapters and sub chapters. And if I click on something and click on hyperlink, it takes me right there. So how do we get this? Well, let me show you by first deleting this. So get on a page, put the cursor where you want to insert your table of contents, just head over to insert. And in here, we are actually going to go all the way down to headers, footers, page numbers, break, comment, and then in the last section, you'll see a table of contents with a couple of styles. So we can just go with plain text here. And as you can see, this is now my entire table of contents. So I can remove what I want from this. So you're going to have to make some slight modifications to the whole thing just to get it to look like the way you want. So if you want to add spaces between chapters, if you want to remove particular subchapters in the middle, so I can select and get rid of this section. So it only says 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4, and of course all of these will be linked to your headings. It's important that when you're building your document, you add headings to make sure that Google Docs knows which subhead to go to. For example, I have chapters in heading 1 and then subchapters in heading 2, which is how the automated table of contents knows which ones to select. And yeah, that's it. Just use headings and then use the insert menu to insert a table of contents into your Google Docs. That's how easy it is. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.